Welcome to the full video tour of a one-family house located in Coconut Grove, featuring 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, 4,650 square feet. This is a brand new construction for you to move in. I am Stefania Mogollon, South Florida and Miami luxury real estate agent. Let's go and take a look. Welcome to this stunning brand new home situated on a corner lot along the historic Tigertail Avenue in Coconut Grove, just 2 minutes away from the best schools in Miami and the vibrant shops and restaurants of downtown Coconut Grove. This is the perfect location for luxury living. This luxurious property has been designed with a combination of stone, porcelain, and wood elements, providing an unforgettable experience of modern and sophisticated living. Let's start our tour of this magnificent home by entering the first floor, which features a wide open floor plan with the kitchen overlooking the living room and dining room. The kitchen boasts plenty of cabinet space, wall appliances, Italian cabinetry, and a large island for cooking and entertaining that can fit up to 4 stand-up stools. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide an abundance of natural light, making this space feel bright and inviting. In this very spacious area, you can fit a very large couch set and a 4 to 6 seat table for dining. Stepping outside, you'll find a sleek, modern pool and spa, as well as a covered patio area for outdoor relaxation. In this yard, you can easily set up a seating area, a hammock, or any other type of outdoor furniture to create a true backyard retreat to entertain guests, dine al fresco, or simply lounge in comfort and style, no matter the weather. As we move back inside, let's take a closer look at the first floor. This level features a small office or guest room, complete with a full bathroom. This room could also serve as a media room or any other type of space that you need. There is also a large laundry area, a half bath, and access to the covered parking space. You'll pretty much have all the conveniences you need to keep your life running smoothly. Before we move upstairs, please let me know in the comments down below what part of the first floor is your favorite. And also, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I not only share home tours, but also tips and tricks for buying, selling, and renting in Miami. And if you or someone you know is interested in making a move in the Miami real estate market, please don't hesitate to reach out. All my information is in the description box. Now, let's head upstairs to explore the rest of this magnificent home. As we ascend the beautiful glass and wood staircase, we're greeted by 4 spacious bedrooms, each with its own bathroom. The master bedroom is truly a luxurious retreat with its direct access to the expansive second-story terrace, offering breathtaking views of the pool and surrounding area. You'll be able to enjoy ample closet space leading you to the beautiful master bathroom. From the freestanding tub to the rain shower head and body sprays, this bathroom is the ultimate in pampering and relaxation. It offers double vanity and double sink, and of course, double backlit mirror. So you'll have the perfect illumination for your morning routine or a romantic night in. The other 3 bedrooms on the upstairs floor are all designed in different dimensions that can be used for office, studio, guest bedroom, kids bedroom, or anything else. You have all the space and privacy that you need. Additionally, it is very important to mention that each bedroom has its own full bathroom, all designed with different textures and materials, such as stone, marble, ceramic, wood, and glass, making each one unique yet cohesive with the overall design of the property. This has been all for today. Remember to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube at Stefania Mogollon. I'll see you on the next one.